he's structured the camp, and all the concepts have been building up, building upon each other. So it's been really easy to understand, and it's something like I've already been able to implement a lot of stuff we've gone over. So I'm really enjoying it, and I know all this stuff we're going over is going to end up in my game for sure.
So, how are you guys enjoying the camp so far?
I came from Canada. Well worth every penny.
Now, what have you been learning?
Riley's leg lock game from takedowns, takedown defense, establishing leg control, ankle lock, heel hooks.
Awesome. Top level technique, top level instructions.
I want to see his hairline, right? Hairline, elbow over. By kicking his leg, it makes his knees go back to facing that direction.